Gentlemen, what you're about to see must not leave this room. Dallas, 1963. There is a cat. Moscow, 1991. There is a cat. Here are some stairs. There is a cat. New Orleans, 2005. There is a cat.
Well, so what we're seeing is that we're being observed or manipulated by a cat.
Or a number of cats.
What can we do about it?
Nothing. You can do nothing.